In this video, I'm going to reveal a $140 billion industry that you could ride all the way to the bank. We're going to talk about keywords. We're going to talk about different ways to monetize. I'm going to give you everything that you need to make money with this obscure niche. Hi, my name is Austin Godbolt with AustinGodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a look at this niche that is over $140 billion in the US alone. I'm gonna talk a little bit about how I discovered it, how it can inspire you to find different ideas that are right in front of your face, how to monetize, everything that you need to know to get up and running. So step number one, how I discovered it. Now, I'm just sitting on my front porch and I see this giant thing roll by. My next door neighbor, he purchased this thing and now he goes on trips with it every single weekend, but it's expensive. It's expensive to drive. It's expensive for maintenance. There's a lot that goes into it. And oh, by the way, once you get to your destination, there's even more expense involved. So that got me to thinking, how big is this industry? How much money are people really spending on this thing? And it led me down a path where there potentially is a lot of money, not only for him, for people that are also interested in this industry. So let's just take a look real quick. Now, the niche that I'm talking about is actually the RV niche. Now, if we look into Google, according to Google, the RV niche is a $140 billion US industry, and it's growing about 20% year over year. But there is lots of opportunity for people that want to buy one, people that have one. There's just lots of opportunity that we're going to take a look at. Is your RV water pump pulsing or broken? Someone needs to fix that. Either you try and fix it yourself or you hire somebody to do that. But that got me thinking about this website, the RVGeeks.com. This website, if we take a look at the traffic value, the traffic value is $65,000 every single month. Now, the traffic value is different than the actual money that they're putting in their pocket, but this gives us a rough idea about how much money they're making. You can see they rank for 132,000 keywords, but if we look at some of these keywords, a lot of them are low competition. If we're looking at the keyword research tool, the keyword difficulty score is a score between 1 and 100. The lower the number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the lower the competition. And if we look, there is tons of opportunity. There's affiliate products that we could sell and promote. There's insurance, which we'll talk about. And with the insurance, you don't even have to get them to buy anything. You get them to apply for a phone call and you can put money in your pocket, which we'll talk about. But if we look at this, we can see that there are tons of questions that people are asking. People want to know how to tow their vehicle behind the RV. They want to know the best accessories. If we look here, you can see how to RV for beginners. The second result here, RV setup and breakdown for newbies. It has 246,000 views, and this small channel only has 8,000 subscribers. And so this is an opportunity for anybody to get into. How do I start an RV park? That's someone that wants to start a park and make money, but you can see there's lots of opportunity. Again, if we look at RV pressure washing, so how do you wash an RV? The top result, 20,000 views, 15,000 subscribers. The second result, 46,000 views, 11,000 subscribers. And what you have to understand is you could actually promote a pressure washer and then promote the pressure washer attachment and earn a commission. The pressure washers range anywhere between $50 and like $400 depending on the PSI that it pumps out. And so there is lots of opportunity to make money with this niche, and you just have to go out and figure out what your target audience wants to know. And there's several ways to figure out what your target audience wants to know. You can go out and find a website like this, RVGeeks.com, that is dedicated to creating content with regards to RV. And while we're here, I just want to show you how they're making money. They're making money by having people watch their YouTube channel. They're making money by having ads. You can see this is an ad here for Meyer. And then right here, if you go to their Amazon store, they are affiliates for Amazon, and you can see that they are making money in a variety of ways. So you can see here, tire products. Let's just click on Let's click on engine products, for example, and you're going to see some of this stuff is really expensive. Now, if I were to click on this product and purchase anything from Amazon within 24 hours, this website, RV Geeks, could earn a commission, so they could make money from me. One way to find different keywords, again, is to look at this website or any website dedicated to RVs like we've done here, and you can see RV thermostat upgrade. That's a product that someone's going to go out and buy. 30 amp RV plug, how to wire a 50 amp RV plug. These are all things that you could recommend and make money. Again, the monetization options are placing ads right on your content, whether it's on YouTube or Google or even TikTok, affiliate marketing, and then you can even really sell your own digital product. So what I would do, step number one, is I would get a list of keywords. You can see there's a list of keywords here. We can also take a look at different YouTube channels. For example, let's grab the Oregon Cash Flow Pro. Take a look at his channel and see if he is dedicated to creating content about RVs. If he's not, then we can move on. But one of the things that he is talking about is insurance, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. If we come back over here, you can look, people are asking questions about individual RVs and they're getting lots of views. For example, I just grabbed this RV, the 2024 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 38 watt. And you can see people are looking up individual questions about the actual RVs, and you could create content about these RVs. This website, Moto RV, they're getting thousands of views creating content about RVs. That's really all they're doing. And this channel right here is getting paid with the YouTube Partner Program. Oh, by the way, there are affiliate opportunities for these RVs as well, which we're going to get into in just a moment. Another thing that you can do is you can put together a list of the best RV camping accessories. As you can see here, lots of people are looking for this information, and so this is almost an evergreen opportunity. Now, you might see some dips in the winter months, but there are going to be people always looking to drive and looking for more information when it comes to their RV. If we look at this one, and I thought this was really cool, RV campsite decorating. I typed in RV campsite setup ideas. The top result got 7.6 thousand views from 2 years ago, 6,000 subscribers. Now let's talk about all the different monetization opportunities. People are going to need to insure their RV. And I went over to OfferVault, and I found that getting an RV quote will actually put $11 in your pocket. Look at this. If they become a lead, so they enter in their information to learn how much it costs to insure the RV, you get paid $11 just from that. So you could become an affiliate for this. Another option, I asked ChatGPT for a list of different RV affiliate programs. Some of these affiliate programs will pay you to get customers to rent our RVs. For example, US RV Rentals, they'll pay you just to get new customers. Okay, a lot of people, they don't buy these RVs, they rent them out for an extended period of time, and you can earn a commission simply connecting these two people together. But there is lots of opportunity in this niche. What you need to do, step one, is identify comments that people are asking. But one of the best ways is to find YouTube channels and websites that are dedicated to talking about RVs. Then you're going to want to make a list of 20 or 30 low competition keywords dedicated to your niche, which is RVs. And then you go out, you start creating content, you find affiliate programs, there's a bunch of them, whether people are looking to repair their stuff, whether they're looking to keep their RVs looking nice and clean, maybe storing in the RV is another option for affiliate marketing, and then you just figure out how to monetize. Now, what I would do is I'd actually work to collect their name and their email, and I would give them something for free, maybe an RV checklist, a winterizing checklist. One of the things my next door neighbor needs to do is he's going to need to winterize his RV so that there aren't bugs and mice and cats and all sorts of junk inside the RV when he's ready to use it in the spring. So there is so much opportunity. Now, I want you to take a step back and think about how I stumbled across this opportunity. I didn't go out spending a bunch of time trying to find the perfect niche. I literally was sitting on my porch and watched this RV drive by. There are literally thousands of niches right around you that you don't have to go out and search for something that is low competition and it'll put a bunch of money in your pocket. You basically just need to open your eyes, look around, look at the things that are happening around you. My next door neighbor had a graduation party for his daughter. Think about all the things that went into that and how you could monetize that information. So if you want to be successful online, make it simple on yourself. Look at things that are going on around you, okay? And then go to the internet and see if people are asking questions and searching for that thing. Chances are, if it's happening around you, it's happening to millions of people, if not billions, it's happening to millions of people also. The step after that is simply to figure out the questions that people are asking. If you wanted to use this paid software, you can. If you wanted to do something for free, you can try using Google. For example, we'll go to google.com and we can type in how to underscore RV and look at the different questions that people are asking. How to dump an RV. I don't even know what that means, but this could be an opportunity to start gathering some information. Another thing that we can do is we can go over to ChatGPT and we could type in something like list keywords for RV rental. Hit enter like that. And ChatGPT is going to give us a bunch of information, a bunch of keywords that we could then put into our keyword research tool or Google, and it's going to give us even more information. For example, pet-friendly RV rental. We could paste this right into Google like this, hit the space bar, and now we've got more ideas. And even better, this could open up another affiliate revenue, which is the travel niche. So once people travel somewhere, they may want to stay in a hotel, and we can recommend the best hotels or the best travel or RV lots, and we can make money that way. But you can see here that there is so many opportunities out there if you open your eyes. It's really as simple as that. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Making money online is really simple. Just identify a niche. Any niche will work. Use the niches that are going on around you, and you can be successful online. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think this is pie in the sky and I'm just making up? Let me know in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer every one of your questions. Now that you know the secret niche that is a multi-billion-dollar niche that anybody could get into, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you start an online business.